Activism ain't terrorism. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. All right? My thing is about mass incarceration, immigration, mass incarceration and immigration, and homelessness. That's what I got the award for. The best of the best in Baltimore. That's me and Sam Cassels at my store on Falls Road. From 1997 to now, we're going to show you the journey of Shorty. Shorty the activist, Shorty the cook. Yeah, everybody knows Shorty in Baltimore. That's Commissioner Harris. When he came to town, I told him to do your job or lose your job. And in fact, he quit. That's Senator Brooks. Like I said, I know everybody in Baltimore. Baltimore City, Baltimore County, the state of Maryland. I'm the cook. Like I said, I'm the weaver in Baltimore. So my weaving project for the last 90 days was Exoneration of the Supreme Court. Maryland Arts for 2025. The world is watching Baltimore, so I'm going to give them something to see. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Do blacks have rights in white America or Trump's America? No! All right. Y'all made me famous for toilets, so I'm going to use that through art and activism. I'm selling this to anybody that want to buy it. 90 Days of Shorty. Maryland Arts Day. All right. Zion Forum, anti-violence program. We burying our kids and we burying our kids and our kids supposed to bury us. You feel me? We burying our kids and our kids are supposed to bury us. So I went to the Supreme Court in 2007 and started this documentary at my store on Falls Road called Dred Scott. Feel me? The Supreme Court. That's the Circuit Court of Lake County, Illinois. I was locked up for making a documentary about your prison industry. I never got a trial. And I took back my guilty plea like I was instructed by the courts. I was kidnapped by Scott Shellenberger in 2011 because I finished the program. That's Public Safety and Corrections. State of Maryland got to play the whole hour-and-a-half interview at Spring Grove Medical Hospital. Like I said, that's Commissioner Harris, all right? And that's me. I filed charges with the Baltimore City Police Department for kidnapping, all right? For kidnapping. And Commissioner Harrison got it. Commissioner Worley got it. Mayor Brandon Scott got this. Sheriff Cogan got this. All right. Kidnapping on February the 7th, 2011. Part 2 of the corruption is racketeering and fraud in the courts, protected by the Baltimore City Police Department. Judge Karen, Sheriff Cogan, Governor Westmore, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Bill Ferguson. All right. I've exhausted my remedies under the law as a whistleblower. While the RICO Act was originally armed for the mafia over the last 37 years, they started using it on the politicians. You violate the RICO Act when you do these things. Like I said, 90 Days of Shorty. See the date, 2019. You had this since 2019. That's Governor Westmore, Senator Cardin, Department of Justice, Adrian Jones, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Mayor Brandon Scott, Johnny Oleski. Johnny Oleski asked for an investigation. You never did it. Sign or die, April 7th. That's the day. That's March 2023. You feel me? And that's Governor Westmore. All right? It's all right here. We don't have no misunderstandings. I asked for exoneration or writ of certiorari to the Supreme Court. Dwayne G. Davis, Baltimore Block activist, N62528. That's Governor Larry Hogan, Speaker Jones, Bill Ferguson, Stephanie Smith, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Eric Barron, Mayor Brandon Scott, Scott Shellenberger, Ivan Bates, Chief Judge Barbera, Judge Carrion, Judge Cox, Xavier Conway, and Bernard Bell of the Secret Service. You feel me? It's all right here. Say you want to hide something, hide it in a book. So this is Kaylin Young and Kathy and Mr. Pat Young. City, county, state, and federal levels. This is my request for guidance to process for exoneration. I'm looking for exoneration in the 2025 session. It's sign or die, and y'all didn't do nothing. So if you go directly to Delegate Sheila Roof, she got my books. These books that I'm showing you, she got them. Delegate McCaskill is a witness at the events when I was calling out Scott Shellenberger. Senator Sitnor, he told me to go to the grand jury. So that's what I want. That's exoneration. And that's the Supreme Court. You feel me? That's the Supreme Court. All you gotta do is fill out my paperwork. She got the book, she got the paperwork. And Kaylin Young gave the request. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? That's Fox 45. And Governor Hogan and President Trump. So everything Fox 45 got, everything President Trump got, everything Governor Hogan got, you got to let the people see. It's a mail receipt. That's President Trump. That's the Secret Service. And that's the toilet. You feel me? The world is watching Baltimore. I'm going to give them something to see. You feel me? Do blacks have rights in white America?
This is my last word. No!
Never let nobody tell you no unless they got the power to tell you yes. Executive, judicial, and legislative branches of the government. No part of the government is stronger than the other. So President Trump, it's you and me, kid. From the last elections to now. Go get the tapes from Keith Daniels when I chased Fox 45 off the streets. Get everything from Fox 45 since I started this. Crime and justice. It ain't gonna be just us no more. That's Jane Miller. See the date? 2019. That's President Barack Obama. See the date? 2014. Governor Hogan. And Scott Shellenberger. Everything Scott Shellenberger, he got to turn over. Like I said, I'm looking for exoneration or the Supreme Court. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? I'm a weaver in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric of social justice. Justice delayed won't be justice denied, and it ain't gonna be just us no more. Dr. K, you got my evidence too. Racism don't work without black cooperation. What about you?